In places of conflict, rape is frequently used as a weapon. It strips survivors of their power and dignity and leaves them lifelong physical, mental, and emotional scars. Physicians for Human Rights program on sexual violence in conflict zones has a clear mission: to train key stakeholders across medical, law enforcement, and legal sectors to collect, preserve, and document evidence of sexual violence, and to support prosecutions for those brutal crimes, bringing perpetrators to justice.
The magistrates, the health, the police, the director of public prosecution, we are all brought together and we were trained together.
PHR trained us on how to collect the evidence, how to preserve the evidence, and the chain of custody. They also made it possible for us to meet as actors.
We had a lot of difficulties in the type of exhibits we were receiving from police officers, from health facilities, and we also had a very huge disconnect with the judicial system, who did not understand how to interpret our results or even what kind of work that we did here. With time, we formed networks, and this helped us a lot.
Our work empowers survivors, ensuring that they have court-admissible evidence to corroborate their accounts of rape or sexual assault. This indisputable forensic evidence, coupled with airtight chain of custody, increases the chances for convictions and sends a strong message that those who engage and perpetrate sexual violence must be held to account, and they must be held to account in powerful legal mechanisms.
PHR has enabled this to be a survivor-centered movement, okay? That the core business, the core principal business is restoring the dignity of survivors. And by that the restoration of that dignity, they're able to speak their voice.
When there is a comprehensive and survivor-centered response, then more people will come forward and work successfully with this necessary team to achieve justice in the courts.
80% of my cases that I've taken to court, they have succeeded because of the training by PHR. And the same training that I received from the PHR, I've also tried to share with my colleagues.
Our work would not be possible without the power of our network, which spans across regional and community levels, helping to create a world without conflict, without rape, and without gender violence, where men and women live with dignity and security, and where human rights are protected.